Hi there, good morning. You've tuned into ET Now. You're catching us live from the SBI Live studio, and this is Buy Now, Sell Now, a show where we are going to be addressing all viewer queries and getting our experts' opinion on them, whether you should hold, buy, or sell the stocks that you have in your portfolio. If you can send us all of those queries, and we'll get to that very shortly. Before that, let's take a look at what the market texture is like right now. We've seen a good uptick coming in the Nifty after we've had comments coming in from Donald Trump saying that he is looking to sign a trade deal with India. Nifty about 0.4% higher above
with us, and on that note, we'll let you go. All the best for your next quarters. All right, then let's move on and get discussing all the stock-specific queries that our viewers have been sending us. And for those of you who haven't, the number is flashing on your screen, so do write in, send your stock name, your holding period, and do mention your name so that we can attribute the question to you, else we won't be able to pick up. But let's get started with today's queries. Then we're now joined by Ajit, founder and head of research at Economics Research, alongside Ajit Mishra, SVP Research at Religare Broking. Hi, gentlemen. Very good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. And let's take the first query then. We have Mr. Srinivas joining us from Hyderabad live on the call. Hi, Srinivas. Good morning. Please tell us what's your query.
Yeah, good morning. See, I have bought 3,000 shares of Canara Bank at 112 rupees. And now the stock is around 130 rupees. I want to add more, another couple of thousand shares, so with a 1 year time duration. So what is the advice?
Right, Ajit, let me come to you. What do you think? What should be the advice for Canara Bank and Hindustan Zinc?
Hi, good morning. So yes, the PSU banking pack, in fact, the entire banking pack, wherein PSU is leading to the front, they are performing well, and Canara Bank is also trading at the record highs. As he have already bought it at lower levels, the stock is trading at the record highs. There could be a bit of a profit-taking consolidation, but the overall tone looks positive. So considering the overall buoyancy in the sector, and we are anticipating newer highs, in days to come in the banking space, he can consider adding more at current levels. Now, I believe that 120, 115 is the base area for Canara Bank. So in case if it corrects due to profit taking in weeks to come, he can add more around those levels as well.
Okay, so that's the take coming in on Canara Bank. Thanks for that outlook. Mr. Chokalingam, we'll come to you for the next query, which is coming in from our viewer, Mr. Subramaniam Padmanabhan from Chennai studio, and we are answering your stock-specific queries. We are joined by our expert, Ajit Mishra and Mr. Chokalingam, and we also have a live viewer on the phone line, Sunny from Kolkata. Sunny, hi, good morning. Welcome to the show, and thank you so much. You've been sending your queries regularly. You are a regular viewer of Buy Now, Sell Now. Ask away. What's your question today?
Good morning to everyone.
Hi.
I am happy to be a regular viewer of this show.
Thank you.
I have been following this channel since 2020.
Oh,
so I am really happy that it's a very good channel and it's a very helpful channel to all of viewers like us, and it helps a lot.
Thank you.
So my question is on, particularly on IREDA. I have been holding IREDA since 2025 June, and my quantity is nearly 400. And my price range is 182.
182.
So my question is, particularly, I can hold it, but why it's lagging and why it's not performing when market is at top high? And my question is particular to the Ajit sir. Please help me out.
Ajit sir. Okay. All right. So I'll directly go to Ajit. Ajit, IREDA 182, and he can hold on to it.
Yeah, good morning, Kavita. And Sunny, I understand basically the pain, because when you see that markets are almost in the verge of making a new record high and your stock is struggling around the 52-week low. When it comes to investment, obviously the rationals, remains completely different to what we see in the shorter duration. So yes, we are seeing underperformance across the railway counters. But the good part is that at least we are not seeing any damage now. Means whatever the decline that we have to see, like for IREDA 300 to 150, almost 50% kind of a retracement that we have seen from the record highs, and now seems stable. But for any momentum, we need to cross this barrier of around 160 decisively. Then you can see the price around 180, 182, which is your buying price, and then obviously you have to review your position again. But as of now, in case if you are planning it for the shorter duration, or looking for the opportunity, metals, banking, and auto, these are the key three sectors that you should be focusing on, which are aligned with the overall market scenario. And railways might remain sideways, at least is what the indications are, at least for a 1 month, 2 month kind of a time horizon.
All right, so that's the view on IREDA. Thank you, Ajit, for that view. But moving on to the next query then, this one is coming from Satyan. Now his query is on the pharma pack. He's asking, he has Glenmark shares. He bought them at a price of 2,000 rupees. He is clearly sitting at a loss right now. He says he's a value investor. So at what levels do you think he should add more, and what should be his stop loss for the long term? And if not, do you think it's a good idea to switch to Aurobindo? Is that looking like a better stock? So yes, that's the query coming from Satyan. Ajit, why don't you take this one?
Right. So Glenmark, we have seen very strong performance, within the pharma space, and after this phenomenal surge, we are seeing normal profit taking. It's been almost 2-3 months now that we are seeing this retracement. The tone looks positive. In case if the view is, let's say, for 1 year or two, we can consider adding more at current levels. In the next leg, probably as the moment we cross 2,000-2,100 zone, then we are set for the next leg of the up move also. So you can consider, adding at current levels and hold it for time horizon of 1 year or more.
All right, so that's the view on Glenmark Pharma, but then it's time for a short break, and post that also we'll be focusing on our viewer queries, and we'll be having a special management talking about the Q2 results after this break.